the garage, bro.
Holy shit.
Hey, clubhouse is clear. All the action happened in here. Your mom found him.
Had him hanging from the goddamn lift.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Who was it?
3 of them, white ski masks. Asshole did the cutting. Had these Nazi hooks tied on his neck.
Did they say anything?
You know, there was some back and forth of how bad they carved me up. It didn't sound too organized.
Sandino.
We're gonna find who did this.
And then what?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put Phil and Vila in on the gun warehouse. Hey, no one rides alone. Yeah, done.
What brings you north?
We got this family thing in Folsom tomorrow. I thought I'd stop by and get a little FaceTime with Mother.
Mine.
What's going on?
Morning visit from the Hitler Youth. Let's get everyone to the table.
Sure. Come on, boys. Here, see, come on, son.
Hey.
Good to see you.
I thought you cleaned up that neo-Nazi problem a while back.
We did. I hope you're here to talk about the Irish details.
I am, but it's not the details you want. Charter voted down the gun deal. It's too much heat right now. I know you went out on a limb to get us that offer. I wanted to tell you face to face.
That's a big problem for us.
I get that. Sorry. I pushed for it. Table said no.
Let me tell the club.
Excuse me, Jax. Lila's been trying to get hold of you. One of the Dioza girls was found dead this morning, dumped on 18. I think it was a brunette, cute smile, funny laugh. I'm sorry.